Hey guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today's video, well, it's Thursday, you know what that means. It's keto cocktail time. So today's cocktail is a Long Island iced tea. Yes. Now, I have not had a Long Island iced tea since my Cocoa Beach years in my 20s, but it is a popular drink. It is actually quite easy to make it keto friendly, and it's a really good summer cocktail if you want a strong one. So without further ado, let's jump in and make this keto friendly. First and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, there's the subscribe button. The notification bell takes you 2 seconds. Hit it. I would greatly appreciate it. All right, before we talk about the ingredients, let's talk about this top. Let's talk about these earrings. I figured since we were going full on vacation mode, Long Island iced tea, we are going tropical, right? I mean, Long Island iced tea is one of those drinks that you drink for sure when you're on vacation. Let's talk about the ingredients and then let's get this made. As always, I'm gonna make it Darlene style, okay? So we do need a tequila. I'm always gonna use a Terramana. That is my favorite tequila. I'm gonna use a Bacardi for the rum. I'm going to use, this is the secret ingredient, you guys, DBeauty sweet tea vodka. Yep, it says it right there. And then I have a little tiny bit, because we don't drink gin. This is Hadley & Sons gin. Diet Coke. Look, this is not, okay, you need a, it would be normally topped with Coke, but we're going to use Diet Coke. Lemon. For not only the cocktail but a garnish, and then we also need some simple syrup. All right, so let's get this cocktail made. Okay, now let me just say one thing. I am totally against Diet Coke. Sorry. Or Coke in general, or Diet Coke. But there's only a splash of it. I really couldn't think of another substitute that would give it the same feel and taste. Like, I was thinking bubbly water. No, that's probably not going to work. What I'm going to do is taste it prior to putting the Diet Coke in and see if, because I'm using the vodka sweet tea, if we can get it without using Diet Coke. And so, fingers crossed. All right, let's go. Now, what do we need? Well, we need a really cute glass, you guys. How adorable is this one? I got it in one of our antique stores. I absolutely love it. Perfect for the Long Island. Let me move this over and let me see if I can. I'm gonna put this. So it's a lot of liquor, you guys. So I've got a shaker of ice, but in the shaker is just some crushed ice. Okay. We're going to go ahead and it doesn't really matter what order you want to put this in. But what I do need is a jigger. All right, so the alcohol ratio is anywhere from 3/4 of an ounce to an ounce. That's a lot of liquor, you guys. So we're gonna go just under, we're gonna go half, just a little above half an ounce for each one. With the exception of one, and I will tell you, that's going to be the DBeauty's, because it has that sweet tea. So we put the Bacardi in. Now we're going to go ahead and put Terramana in. Tequila. Use the tequila that you love. I happen to love Terramana. The gin, well, let me smell this. Boy, I don't think I've ever had a gin cocktail. Oh, it actually smells really good. All right, cool. So we'll put just a little less than normal. And then we're going to do a full ounce of DBeauty's. Look at that color. There's your Coke right there, guys. Woo! All right. Now, we need an ounce of lemon. Ounce. Ooh, because nothing goes better with tea. Oh, and I already did I cut my lemon slice for a garnish, and I also am making another cocktail for you guys at the same time. Ooh, get in there. Okay. I need just a little bit more. There we go. Thank you. Oh, The smell of lemon, you guys, smells so good. Then we need about half an ounce I forgot one ingredient. It's because it's in the refrigerator, and it's because I had to make it. You'll remember it from when I made the lemon drop, which is basically my triple sec. You can call it Cointreau, basically an orange liqueur. Hold please. Hey you guys, I almost forgot the last ingredient, which is my version of triple sec. I showed you how to make it in the lemon drop video, but it's basically equal parts monk fruit sugar. It's to water, orange peel, and then 2 ounces of vodka. Yeah, I know. And it smells so good. It really doesn't smell like vodka. We're going to use 1 ounce of that. I just made this today, but by tomorrow it will be so orange, it's going to be crazy. The longer it sits, the better it gets. That's my opinion anyways. All right. You know the drill. We've got to do a little shake shake. All about pretty, you guys. Okay? Little skewers, little round balls. Gently. There we go. And then we're going to give a shaky shake. Here we go. Okay, here she goes. Let's see how we did. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, put the balls in after, because otherwise, if it's narrowed down here, that's going to take a minute for that alcohol to go. Oh, it does kind of look pretty though. We're going to decide whether we need the Diet Coke. Okay, you guys. All right, let's try it. I would not put the Diet Coke personally. I wouldn't. But I'm going to do it to see if it really changes it. That is so refreshing. That is so good, you guys. I think because of the DBeauty sweet tea, you really don't need that Diet Coke, and it's so bad for you. I'm sorry for those of you that drink Diet Coke like my husband. All right, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna fill it up. We're gonna put a splash of Diet Coke. Let's see if it makes a difference. I literally just splashed it. Let me garnish it. I literally mean a splash of Diet Coke because I want to try the difference. I added our beautiful little garnish. Look how beautiful that is. And I added one of our, you know how I do it, the little lemon ice cubes. I could probably, if I put one more in there, it's going to go over. And I added that little extra lemon ice cube because it's got a little bit of glitter. Can you, I don't know if you'll be able to see. Can you see it kind of? It's just so pretty. Okay, let me try. I don't think the Diet Coke does anything. I really don't. Hold on. I'm going to put a little more. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to give it a little stir. I don't have... Yes, I do. There we go. Try it. Hold on, let me take this a little. What I'm going to say to you all. Put your Diet Coke, don't put your Diet Coke, but I'm going to tell you, you don't need your Diet Coke. I think it is absolutely perfection, exactly the way it is. What would I change? Because you know there's always something that I would do a little different. I have the big giant ice cubes. I'm an ice cube freak. You all know that by now. Either use crushed ice, or if you're going to use the big ice, you know, fill the bottom first and then add the ice. That was my only mistake. Wouldn't change a thing. I would not change a thing. I will tell you the secret ingredient to this is this right here, and I do not work for DBeauty. I wish I did, because I swear I love their vodka so much. It just adds that extra sweet tea taste, and when you open it, you'll smell sweet tea. Give it a minute to breathe when you first crack it, and it'll smell like sweet tea. No joke, you guys, it's crazy. So honestly, I don't think you need the Diet Coke, but if you want to add it in there, absolutely. Now let's get the husband to try it. All right, you guys, my poor husband, he is literally, it's like 90 degrees and he's doing yard work. So I think a Long Island actually is exactly what he needs. Island though.
It does. It's better than a short island.
Oh. Dad joke. Okay, now wait a minute. Because there's a debate that I have going on, because you know how I feel about Diet Coke, right?
Yeah.
All right, so now taste it.
What's the debate?
That I don't want to use Diet Coke. I don't think you need to, do you?
You don't need to.
Long Island iced tea, keto style. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to say this is one you should probably try. It really is very, very good. And again, secret ingredient is right here, the sweet tea. I didn't even know, and I don't drink tea, y'all. I mean, I drink hot tea, but I don't drink like iced tea. My husband does. That's probably why he loves it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, take a minute, hit that thumbs up. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.